This one is the usual refuse truck, and this is a crusher.
Okay. Maybe in brief, how does this relate to the incinerator?
Maybe just push. Well, I'm not that highly technical.
Okay.
But I'll try my best. So this is a crush to help with medical waste, which cannot fit into the incinerator when it's in a solid form. And then this one is the standard refuse truck. And the incinerator itself is so huge and so powerful that we are told that we can never utilize it to its full capacity.
Okay.
And the idea is that this truck, in addition to what the city council collects, can go to small towns, small hospitals, and collect medical waste and bring it to incineration here.
Okay.
Once the incinerator is connected, it should run like the MRI, 24/7 for 365 days. It must not be switched off.
Okay.
So all these brand new cars, unfortunately, we are seeing them before we even wash them. But we can still see that they are very, very new, brand new, in fact. I'm really excited about it.
Maybe you can just tell us about the purpose of an incinerator in the hospital.
An incinerator is a decent disposal of any waste, okay? But for this incinerator, the term they are now using is that it's mainly for medical waste. So things like amputations of legs, arms, uterine specimens, and so forth. But we are also saying that we have the potential to take waste from industries and dispose them properly. At the moment, some of the items are being sent to the colliery, to ZESA, or colliery, where the heat generated is high enough to dissolve bottles and the likes. So we are saying once our incinerator is working, there is no need for industry or hospitals to take their specimens as far as Wange, because even there it's not free, they pay. So you pay for transport to go there, you pay for the specimens that you are taking there, and we are going to be taking all that from Masvingo province, Mat West, Mat South, and Mat North, and Blow Metro.
Okay.
So we are going to be very busy.
And when is it likely to start operating?
We are running behind the schedule. It should have been functional last year, August. But now we think it's any time now, basically.
Okay.
Even staff, we've recruited the staff and all that. So we're just waiting for the engineering part to be finalized. Then we're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the